Good day, everyone. So today what we're going to do is you guys are going to make a metal print with me. And I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to make this metal print. We're going to see what it's going to look like. It's going to be gorgeous. And hopefully that you can make these prints and make some money with them. So jump right into it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to come to Photoshop or whatever photo program you're using. And you're going to make your palette 13 by 19. I'm doing a 12 by 18 print, so my palette will be 13 by 19. Then I'm going to take the picture, and I'm going to drag it over to my palette. This is my nephew and his family. I'm just going to take this picture and drag it over here, drop it in there, and I'm going to make it full 13 by 19. Because we're going to take this and we're going to center it on the board, on the metal, the sublimation aluminum metal. That's what it's called. That's what we're going to center it on. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to print it out. Okay, so now that we have the print done and we have our metal, sublimation metal here, you got to remember that there's a clear film on the outside of it. And you have to pull this. You have to pull this clear film off in order to print on it. So you cannot print with the clear film on it or it'll burn. It'll burn. So what you want to do is you want to take this metal print and you want to flip it upside down on your picture. Kind of just center it right there or whatever. And then you want to tape it so that the heat, when the heat press hits it, it do all it do with the dye and everything. Right now, I got my heat press set to 385 for 60 seconds. So while it's warming up, we want to be putting the metal and lining the metal up on the on our print. So now that the heat press is heated up to 385, we got it set for 60 seconds. I like to put some craft paper on top of my press so that the ink from the photo won't spill over onto the press. And then you put whatever you want on there the next time, like a shirt or something. And then the ink from that spilled over from this time gets on the shirt. So again, as you can see, we got the metal taped to the photo. We're going to flip it upside down like such. Lay it on our press. Put a cover sheet over it. And we're on medium pressure, and we're going to press it for 60 seconds. Here we go. So as you guys can see, we're going to pull the tape off, and voila. Let's see if I can get some close-ups for you. Man, that look good. It looks real good. And as you can see on the craft paper, what I was talking about, how the ink spill over. If you don't put this craft paper on your press, the ink will spill over onto your press. But wow, look at that. Awesome. Listen, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Click that bell so that when we have more videos come out, you know. Share this video with somebody you know. Like I said, you press this on the metal, you can get $40 for these. This metal, I think, cost me $3. So metal in the print, $5. You make a $35 profit. Sell 10 of them a month. That's $350. Again, hope you guys liked it. Subscribe, hit the bell. Take care.